Hello everyone, my name is Yiran, and today I'm going to talk about a binary multiplication. As we all know, the method taught in school for multiplying decimal numbers is based on calculating partial products, shifting them to the left, and then adding them together. And for binary multiplication, it does exactly the same thing, but with zeros and ones, which is more simpler than the decimal system. Please note that since the binary operates in base 2, the multiplication rules we need to remember are those involve ones and zeros, which are the rules here. So first, let's start with a simple example. We have 1, 0, 1 multiplied by 1, 1. And the first thing we need to do is multiply the 101 with the 1 here. So we get the 101. And then we multiply the 101 with the 1 here. And this time we need to shift it to the left for one place. And it is 101. So now we add those two numbers together. And we get the 1, 1, 1, 1. That's our answer. Let's check it. Yep, we get the right answer. So now let's do a more complicated example. So we have 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 multiplied by 1, 1, 0, 1. And 1 times 1 is a 1, 1 times 1 is a 1, and 1, 0, 1. And this time we get a 0 here. So we all know that 0 times anything is a 0. Therefore, at this place to the left, there's nothing. So we just start with this one here. But please note that this result start with this place. So we write 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. And we need to know that we need to add those two numbers together first. And we'll continue on the multiplication. So we get 1, 1. 1 plus 1 is a 0 in binary. So we carry the 1 here, and 1 plus 1 is a 0. We carry the 1 again. And 1 plus 1 plus 1 is a 1. So we carry the 1 to this place, and 0 plus 1 is a 1. And we drop this 1 down. And then we still have the 1 over here. So we start with this place. And 1 times 1 is a 1. 1 times 1 is a 1. And 1 times 1 is a 1. 0 times 1 is a 0, and 1 times 1 is a 1. And then we add those two numbers together so that we can get our final result. So we drop the 1s down. 1, 1, 0, 1. 1 plus 1 is a 0 in binary. So we carry the 1 here. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is a 1. And we carry the 1 here. 1 plus 1 is a 0. But we carry the 1 here, and 1 plus 1 is a 0, and it carries a 1 here, and that's a 1 here. Let's check our answer. 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Yep, we get the right answer. So let's continue on our last example, which is multiplying the binary fractions, which means we have a decimal place. So let's do it. 1, 0, 1, 1.01 times 1, 1, 0.1. Please note that when we multiplying the binary fractions, we do not need to line up by the radix point, and what we get in this place is a 1 0 1 1 0 1, and we have a 0 here, just as the example we did just now. We don't write anything here, and we have the 1 in this place, so we write 1 0 1 1 0 1 here, and then we add those two numbers first. It's 1 0 1 plus 1 is a 0, and we carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is a 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is a 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is a 1 plus 1 plus 1 is a 1. So we carry the 1 here, and it's still a 1 and 1. And then we multiply the 1011.01 with this 1 here in this place, and then we get 1 0 1 1 0 1, and in the end we add those two numbers, so we get 1 0 0 1 0 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is a 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is a 0, carry the 1. And we finally write the 1 in the front. And see that there are 3 decimal places, so we put the decimal point here. And let's check the answer. It's 1001.001. Yay, we get the right answer. And I think that's the end of my presentation, and here is my reference. Thank you for your listening.